right, so we're back here with the gang from Elk Grove Hearing Care. This is Amy. That's Isaac, Dawn, Brandon. They're all here.
Yay!
So exactly why are you in our studios, interloper? What are we doing now?
So today we're here to measure the volume output of your headsets so that we can determine if they are at an unsafe volume, and that we want to prevent you from having any damage to your ears from work. I mean, you know, you might have to file a grievance against your employer for hearing damage.
No.
Let's do that.
Yeah, let's do this.
We're going to get on it.
We're actually going to use this machine over here. It's called a real ear verification machine, and it's a piece of equipment we usually use to program hearing aids to verify the output of the hearing aid and make sure the volume is accurate. Come stand wherever you want.
Is this gonna hurt?
Yes, it's gonna hurt bad.
Ow.
Oh.
Ow.
This is a little tube we're gonna feed down there. I know.
How far down? Is it gonna hit my tongue?
Oh.
We are gonna try to get within 1 millimeter or 2 of your eardrum. So we've pre-measured that.
This is going to be painful today.
I'll let you know.
He'll be smacking me here in just
You have little ears.
Thanks, Dawn.
Not in a bad way.
You have a big mouth.
Yeah, I do. I have a big mouth and a big nose.
All right.
Ow, ow, ow. Are you doing anything yet?
I'm putting the tube in the hole.
Ow. Oh, that feels good, actually.
Yeah.
Oh, I have a thing for, like, my ears.
There.
What?
Oh, you can go deeper.
You told everybody you have a thing about your belly button.
Oh, and my ears. Same thing. Fingernail, long fingernail, digging my belly button, digging my ear. Oh, I'm in love.
You were prime pickings for like an alien to come down and probe you in your area.
Yes.
Yeah.
See, Brandon wants his anus probed. I want my ear and my belly button.
They would
I'm
do
old-fashioned
your belly
with that.
button. They'd be like, "What's?"
And I would tell them belly button is the window, the tunnel to your soul, or your anus if you go far enough.
Okay, now. Once he's got the audio going, go ahead and adjust it where you normally would.
I know exactly.
To have that
Or what always is.
Why do I have to be talking?
So what we're looking at, really we're looking for this purple bar
Right.
that's under the probe microphone. That's telling us what the level of the volume is hitting your eardrum.
So it looked like I was around 111, 113.
Yeah, 111.
Cool. Was that
to
like
113.
chainsaw level?
That's horrible. Yeah.
Damn.
I brought my handy dandy thermometer here
Cool.
for you to look at. So
This is why he can't understand me when I talk.
Yeah, that's why.
Pitches and stuff.
Yeah.
So anything 110 would be like really loud concerts,
Cool.
and so on. You know, lawnmowers and stuff are only down at like 90, so you're above that.
Oh, shit.
You know, ambulances are up around 130, 120. Jet planes. Okay, so you're just under jet plane.
Holy
Okay.
shit,
Yeah.
This may be why none of that bothers
my
me.
God.
Ambulances, sirens, jets.
Do you hear them?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's very pleasing. It's a very comforting sound.
It's bad. So really anything over 30 minutes at those levels would be damaging to your ears.
So if none of our segments go over 29 minutes, I'm good, right?
As long as you get a break for a few hours after that.
Oh, 6 minutes.
Yeah, we get 6 minutes.
5 probably before the headphones go back on. Do I have any sort of lawsuit against anyone, like the radio industry, manufacturers of equipment? Aha, yes. Yes, Sony. That's a big ticket item. That's a real company.
Go after Sony.
I think we can go after Sony.
And so guns, you are wearing hearing protection always, you said. Mm-hmm. But you don't have any suppressors on any of your guns, correct?
Correct.
Okay.
Suppressors are for pussies and hitmen.
This is bad, so I need to get you down.
Okay, I get it. It's bad.
I need to get you down
You are never going to get me down there.
15 at least.
Oh my God. Well, hey, if you can do that. So are we ready to move on to Dawn now?
We are ready.
I am not going to want to hear myself if it's in my ear.
She already getting the feed?
Yeah.
Yes, I am, and you're talking right now. I just don't even know how people don't change the channel every time I talk.
Neither do we.
So again, we're looking at that purple bar. She's like 94.
Brandon's going to be like 50.
I know.
I'd like to get her at 85. I'd like everyone to be at 85.
Oh! Can I stop?
Yeah.
Ew! Stop it! God!
Oh, it's not that bad.
Yes, it is. I hate listening to myself since day one of being in this dumb business.
Was it that bad during air checks too?
Oh, she was a nightmare. As you can see, I gave up early. So there's no fixing this.
Yeah, sometimes I'm over here. Yes, sometimes I'm over here, messing with it.
Instead of listening.
So-
Yeah. It's really cool.
Well, and also I think, your attention for all of you is so divided because you are actively engaged in so many tasks while you're listening. That you probably are turning that volume up a little bit, so less concentration has to go into the actual listening task, so you can divert that attention to the other tasks that you're doing, because I know you're not just sitting there listening to something passively.
Yeah, because I do just sit here and listen. There's nothing I have to do but listen and talk.
And yet she's still so bad at it.
Yes. And I still get kept around. That's the important thing.
We'll go set up over on your station and see where you are.
Oh, Brandon's going to be perfect.
I know he will, right? Because his hearing was
perfect.
perfect. There's nothing wrong with his hearing. So lucky.
Sorry?
Might have to do this. Never worn hearing protection with music?
No, but I know the importance now.
You don't want to be like Rob later.
But I don't want to
In
get...
some ways, yes, but not in that way. Okay, go ahead and put your headphones on. So good, you're in the high 80s.
Is that good?
Well, so ideally 85.
Okay.
You want to change your volume and see if you can hit 85 with the purple bar?
That's good.
So that'd be about, if you were able to keep it around there, would be about a safe volume.
I could do that.
Okay. So you are just going to turn yours down a hair.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it where
You're
it's
just
at right
barely.
now.
No way
Yeah,
did she
just
stay
a
at
little
that. And then I'm the high degree of difficulty figuring out that.
Complicated.
Yeah.
As usual.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. Okay. So between now, whenever you figure out the solution, I just continue to damage my ears on a daily basis. This is your
Well,
prescription
I would
for
tell
now.
you to turn it down, but
Right,
that's
well, you
not going
don't.
to happen.
Yeah, I mean,
so.
I tell you, I'll give that a try on Monday, and I'll let you know how that goes.